Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get story feature on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the TikTok application and you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and update your TikTok application. As you can see that I recently updated my TikTok application. Once you complete that, you simply need to log in into your account on TikTok, and then you need to go and click on profile in the right bottom corner and click on the plus icon, and here you can create story. So this is the process by which you can get story feature on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.